Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna learn spiral knot, also known as half square knot. It's very commonly used in macrame patterns, especially plant hangers. First, attach 2 ropes to the dowel using larkset knot, so 4 cords are made. You have 2 filler cords inside and 2 outer working cords. Move the left working cord over the filler cords, making a figure 4, then place under the right working cord. And move the right working cord under the filler cords and pass it through the loop made by the left working cord from behind. Pull both working cords evenly to the left and right. Until now, it's the same as the first half of the left-facing square knot. It's called as half square knot or left twisted half square knot. Now, instead of making a reverse figure 4 using the right working cord as you tie square knot, just continue doing the same half square knot with the left working cord. And you're gonna repeat the same process. Interestingly enough, the sanet starts twisted to the right side. If you tie 4 to 5 knots, it's twisted half a turn, so the original right working cord moves to the left side. Just take the moved cord as the left working cord and continue tying left twisted half square knot. If you tie 6 to 8 knots, you can see a full spiral knot is made. Let's continue tying this left twisted half square knots. Now you've got the spiral knots that are twisted twice. And I'll tie square knots so you can compare how it's different. The sanet isn't twisted anymore with square knots. Now you have left twisted spiral knots above and 2 square knots below. This time, let's tie half square knots in reverse way. First again with larkset knots to attach ropes to the dowel. You're gonna tie half square knots in reverse way, starting with the right working cord, so right twisted spiral knots are made. repeat the same process. Now you'll see the twisted direction is just opposite. And doing the square knots again. Again, this sanded pattern is used in many plant hangers, but not limited to it. You can combine square knots and spiral knots to design your own projects. Thank you for watching.